Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from Patrol EV by EV Sportline. I'm gonna come in and show you an R1S upfit that's underway. It's right in the middle of construction, but this vehicle is being upfit for a municipality. It's going to include a full bulletproof package. You can get a look in over here. These doors have already been bulletproofed, but the full door is taken apart. This will have a full admin lighting package by Whelen, including sirens, lights. We'll take a look up here. You can see some of that product has started to be mounted, but it's quite a lot. This package will include all kinds of lighting, bulletproof package, radio. You can see the beginning of the radio mounting down in here. And then let's go back here. Power system, control unit. One of our technicians installing the system back here. So here is the control unit. This houses the Whelen core system, the Motorola radio. There's going to be this secure box that goes in the rear tire spare area. This will contain any kind of guns and secure items. So we'll check back in soon. We'll do a full video on this build when it's done. All right, everybody. Hope you like this peek behind the scenes, and we'll see you in the next video.